Hello everyone and welcome to another video of QuickLearn. So today we're going to be quickly learning the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Now to use this function you just need to press the equal to sign. What we're going to be looking for today is the basic wage and the allowance using the VLOOKUP function and using the employee ID. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to write VLOOKUP, we're going to open brackets, select the employee ID, comma, go to the other sheet, select the table array, and we're going to stop here because we're going to be looking for basic wage. We need to count which column this is in. So the first one is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to press comma again. We're going to write 4, and then we're going to write false. Close bracket, and there you have it, the employee's basic wage. Now, to look up the employee's allowance, what we're going to be doing is basically the same thing. We look up, open brackets, use the employee ID, comma, select the table array. Now for allowance, the column number is 5. So what we're going to be selecting is 5 here, false here, and close brackets. That is it. We've got the employee allowance as well. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.